think that Saif Ali Khan would come up in a press conference with Priyanka Chopra, but that's exactly what happened earlier today. Looks like poor Priyanka simply cannot avoid being part of a three's company when it comes to the men in Kareena Kapoor's life.
Priyanka Chopra may have looked picture perfect in her white Victoria Beckham dress, but she's not always been this photogenic and has her share of skeleton in the photo album.
So I was sleeping one day, I was really tired and I slept off on the couch and he took a picture of me with my mouth open and sleeping and he wouldn't erase it, and then he hid the phone somewhere. He'd taken it from his phone, he hid it somewhere and I couldn't find it and I was so angry with him, and then he put it on my computer as my desktop. So that was the most embarrassing picture anybody has ever taken of me.
Priyanka and photography haven't always clicked. The same can be said for Priyanka and a certain Kareena Kapoor.
ऐसा नहीं था कि हम पहले नहीं कर सकते थे तो ऐसा कोई issue नहीं था. In fact, we were supposed to do 2-3 films together about 2-3 साल पहले भी, लेकिन किसी तरह से मैं किसी और फिल्म में चली गई, वो किसी और फिल्म में चले गए, dates नहीं हुए, something happened that we never ended up working together.
Yes, Priyanka certainly knows how to stay on safe territory or safe territory in more ways than one.
जब मैं फिल्म कोई भी साइन कर लूंगी उसके बाद प्रोडक्शन हाउस अनाउंसमेंट कर लेगा, तब तक it's unethical to talk about it.
Yes, Priyanka certainly knows how to frame not just a photograph, but her answers rather well too. In Mumbai with Ankita Rathod, Beverly White for NDTV.